All right, back we go. Almost three. The market is almost closed. Is February 9th, Tuesday. Looking at some of these stocks here. Let's look at SIOX. My mouse is working here. 29 million float on this, 138 million market cap. Announced therapies, announces financial results February 9th. Clinical stage therapy company. Has products for debilitating neurodegenerative diseases. Yeah, this had crazy drop from 220, but it was a split. Yeah, gap down again. This is way back in 2018. You see the split here, June. Yeah, going closer. What do we see here? Yeah, this dropped to 150 from like 650. Big drop. April it bounced. Sideways action for a while. You're caught in between this three line, and then it bounced all the way to 550. And then more recently, we got down to this like 187 level. And then we filled the gap on this candle. Nice fill, but it didn't hold. Sometimes gap fills will be continually run like this, or they'll just straight up make a move. Yes, fell to the trend line here. Looks like a little bit of trend line form 250. Yeah, I can take this out now. Yeah, what you see here is this this 350 line. Kind of a line down here. Because look how many times it touches and bounced down. Say it didn't go through and hold. Bounced down, went through, came back. Look at that again. So we're gonna break it here. I mean, it's possible. As I try to get this closer, see this? We're back. It could do this. It could come winding down, then break up. You're not sure. But today's a really big move. You have 15%. Good volume today. Yeah, good news. Look at this. This is a nice long. But the way the market's going, I believe we will break through. And if we do, 350, watch to this 575 level. If we break up, then you want 350 as support. Remember that? So right now it's resistance. Resistance becomes support. So it does this, comes back, it's support. Even if it comes back to this 275 line, it's a trend line now. It looks pretty strong. So the way this one's going, it looks pretty good. If you're long, further break. CODX, 26 million float, 27 million income. CODX. They do diagnostics for the cell. What is it called? They do molecule diagnostics company intends to manufacture and sell reagents used for diagnostic tests. So I think they're in the COVID space. All right, so this one had to move in March. Came back to the 8 line. Exploded up to 28, came back down. See the lows in this? We're exploding up. You can draw a line here, and eventually, broke that trend line right here. Went all the way down, tested this 8, came back and forth. There's the 16 line. Here's the 10 line. And again, look at this move up. All these stocks are doing this. Not the greatest environment down here. It doesn't look much different, but you're at 10, 12. Look at this. You're 13 EMA. You're far away. That's what's a little bit. They could pull it back. You could pull back 15, 14. Still means it's all right. It's just a pullback. It needs a pullback. If it holds 16, that's good because look at this 16 level. Filling the gap right here. Could we get a 30 at this point? Anything's possible. The way this run is, but I'd like to see a pullback on this one because it's so straight up. See this? And when you're far away from your 1320 EMA, it's getting extended to me. So I would watch it. But right now, we got to get back over 20. 20 is a very big level in this. And then watch your stops on CODX. Any news? 3 stocks that are absurdly cheap right now. That was a motley fool. All right, so that's that on that. TGC. Float 10 million. market cap 27 million. They do, what do they do? 174 producing oil wells. They have 13 shut-in wells, 37 active disposals. So you can see this one was chopping around for over a year. Then it broke out right here to 275 and came all the way back. And look at the lows here. It just came back to this trend line. Then exploded again. So this thing will explode up being low float. It's right at this level now. It's 275. Oversold. I like this. The trend is up. You know, I think this can explode up to 4 to 650 again, no doubt. See the weekly. The weekly, I would say this 5 to 4 range, a little bit of resistance. So if we break this, you know, then it becomes support at 275. If we don't, now watch this 2 to 225 level right here for another pullback before we go up. But the trend is up on this. It's been making good moves. See, this is moving up, but stochastics has been down. That's a divergence, but it's reverse because this is getting oversold now. This means it should pop. And I haven't seen no recent news in this. Oil, and nothing new in this. So this is a spiky one now. This is spikes. It could spike at any time. You know, today a little bit, not huge, but something's brewing here. TGC. All right, so that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Putting out these videos. Stock quits. Mike Cayman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. TikTok, Mike Frank II. Twitter, I think it's Mike J Trades now because I was banned from Twitter. My old account, I had like 800 subs. I was banned because I said something stupid. Nothing real bad, but it's just like, how to get banned for that? But anyway. All right, so that's it. I'm going to download this video. We're out for now. Peace.